All right, this is an unboxing of the HapiRm hat hooks, or the hat rack here. So I'm going to go ahead and break everything open, lay it all out, take all the packaging out, and show you here what it looks like after that. All right, so what I just had come out of this box here is it comes with instructions on how to assemble everything. This is one hook over here. These are the nuts and bolts and tools, and it does have every tool you need there to assemble it, and all the nuts and bolts. So these are the nuts and bolts for this guy too. You have two different hooks in this one box right here. This is the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and assemble one of them and show you how the whole thing goes together. Okay, while I've been assembling this thing, I wanted to show this. So this is actually a sticky pad. There's a piece of adhesive, there's a piece of plastic over it, but there's adhesive right here that sticks. So this is the bottom part, so when you stick it on the door, it actually doesn't go swinging every time you move the door. Other quick note, so this is the middle piece, this is the bottom piece. They go together just like that. You take some screws, you put them in right there. Same thing with the top part. The top part has a plastic insert right there. You take it, you push it in, and then you put some screws right there, and boom, you're in business. And the very top part, the hook, this hook section, you would actually stick this here, and they provided some nuts and bolts that would go through here. You'd tighten it down, and this is the part that actually hangs off the door. So thought that was really cool. Super easy to assemble. All right, this is both of them assembled here. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on a door, and let's see how they work. All right, so I just threw a couple of hats on here, and I gotta say it's working wonderfully. If you notice right here, the hooks are big enough to where I could have it just touching the hat, but I only have it touching kind of the adjustment strap in the back on all of these guys, and it works wonderfully. I don't have them stick on because this isn't where the hats are going to be staying long term, but this is working amazingly well. So if you're in the market for some hat hooks that you want to hang off of a door, these are working amazingly well, and I highly recommend them.